Craving smoky, juicy barbecue chicken? Let's make it hot, fast, and finger-licking good. For chicken thighs or drumsticks, half a cup barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste. In a bowl, coat the chicken with olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Let it marinate for 30 minutes or overnight for maximum flavor. Heat your grill or pan to medium-high. Place chicken skin side down. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes per side, until golden and cooked through. Brush on your favorite barbecue sauce and cook for another 2 minutes on each side to caramelize. The sauce gets sticky, smoky, and perfect. Serve hot with coleslaw or corn on the cob. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fast, flavorful recipes.